Okay, let's create this one. Okay, so for this you need this PDF, I guess. Oh yeah, this one. So I'm going to draw or design a little bit of it from here, from the center, but yes, you can use this PDF to deliver or to create all of this design. Okay, so it's quite simple. If you haven't watched my previous video, just go for the part 1 of the design, so you will know how to make this one. Okay, it's the same thing but a different dimensions. Okay, and if you want to download this part, it's in the description link, same as the PDF as well. Okay, so all things are in the description, just go and download. Okay, let's begin this one. For this I need a new part design. Okay, for that go for start, mechanical design, part design. Let's just make it a front panel. Okay, let's just go for sketch. So just make a circle here and measure it to be, let's see how much it is in the PDF. It's R10. R is 10 means the diameter is 20 mm. That's fine. Let's just make the other one. Just make this 2 capsules. Okay, so for that use this new feature, or you can say new command called elongated hole, I believe. Yes, it is. Just try to make that. Oh, that's good. Make this as what do you call symmetry. Okay, wait a minute. It should be perpendicular or 90 degree to this. Vertical. That's good. Okay, the distance between these two must be 22, I believe. So yeah, it's 22. R6 12 mid length. R6 is 12, and why does we need to delete something from here. Should be this one. Yep, this is 12 and it should be 6, which is by default, so we won't take this as a extra constraint. We just go for Control Z. Okay, so let's just try to, so these are the icons which you can find up here. Okay, just right click on this and you can find this all here. Okay, and for now I want to make this equilateral, sorry, just equidistance to this, means it should be in the center, right? So let me draw a what do you call an axis, right, straight going from the middle one, and it should be 90 degree to this. It is 90 degree, so you want to do that. And once again, if the drawing goes a little bit here and there, just use this command called normal view, so it will align it properly for you. And I don't want this interference. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so select the last point, this point, and this line. Go for okay. Okay, so press Control, select this point and this line, go for 22 by half, which is the actual thing. The length is how much? Let me check. Sorry, the length is 32, right? So it should be 32 by half. 32 by half, and the whole length is 32, so don't miss that part as well. So everything should be constrained properly. So all things are green means all good. Okay. And here same capsule but different dimensions. I'll just do that. Length is 35, 8, R4. Okay, 35 and 8. That's good. When you are selecting two entities, okay, press Control. Okay, what is it? 8. Just delete this upper constraint if it is making things shimmy. So yeah, that's it. Select this one, go for 35, the whole one, and this, the point and this center length should be 35 by half, and that's it. 35, this, and the length, the arc. Okay, if it is making pink, okay, this means it's over constrained, so just delete that. Okay, so what we need is the distance from here. Okay, try to use this method to make it all green. See, it's all green now. The distance here is, I believe, see, so this and this. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay, yes, you can use this one as well. It's called 10. The distance between this line and this line is 10. So we'll just delete this one. Okay, go for it. This and this, 10. Perfect, all done. So this is how you are going to do it further. Okay, you can just select all of this in one go. Okay, like this. Go for command call mirror and use this axis, so that you get the exact same thing right on your left hand side. So similarly, you need to make the design as a whole. Just practice it. Okay, I believe once you saw the part 1 of the video, it will be more clearer to you. And make sure you use this design flawlessly. It's good. Okay, second, this is the second part of it, and third, I will be making this one. Let me show you that as well. Third part, we're going to make this one, the arms of it. Okay, so for that I'll be making a very quick or brief video, quick and brief video. So yeah, that's a thing. So we'll be attaching this in the 4th video as an assembly, but for now that's it. You can use it. Okay, this PDF to create and further on this. Thank you so much for watching.